Good evening, guys. Welcome to another sections of this digital media one introduction to web development exercise. Today's lecture or video going to focus on media. How do we insert media on our web page? Media, audio media, video media, PDF media, or any other media that's interactive. How do we insert it on our website? Well, kindly pay close attention to this video, practice it well, and then on Monday, we're going to entertain more questions from there. So assume that in our root directory, I have web right here, and here I have contacts, I have credentials, I have index. These are the three different web pages I have. Now, the rules say any image or any object that you want to insert on a particular web page, that object should be placed within the same folder the file resides in. Now that we're using contacts page, all right, it is the contact page we are using to insert our videos, to insert our audios, to insert whatever media we will be using as samples in this video. So for that reasons, we will have to insert or put or copy and paste our object within the same folder. Since we'll be using this media, I don't want to rename it to video. You can name it to anyone or any name of your choice, any conventional naming system you love. I name it audio, I name it video. Maybe you can name it Bill, you can name it Mary, whatever way you think you can name it and remember it while doing your exercise. But make sure these two objects picture. This is a picture, and name it capture, right? These three objects, we want to place them in order to appear on our website. That launches when you see something. Right now, nothing here, everything is blank. So we want the picture to appear there. Oh, okay, we'll have one more picture. I already inserted, but we'll see what. We want them to appear on our website, okay? So how do we do that? We right click on this contact page, open with the same thing we're doing in the class. Now I'm using Visual Studio Code, okay? So I don't follow you Notepad because Notepad is not on my machine. But when I'm in the class, I love to use Notepad so that I can see the raw coding. So now we're in our contact page. The first thing we want to do is to insert the picture. What picture is it? We have our picture in our directory already called our capture, okay? We'll have it called capture. So we want to insert the picture so that it can appear on our website. So how do we do that? We go to our Visual Studio Code. To insert image, we call it is an image tag. Image tag is IMG. Image tag is what? IMG. So we press bracket open IMG / it's a single tag, okay? Image tag is a single tag. It does not have opening tag and closing tag. It only have a single tag called IMG. So we already inserted it, right? Sorry that you didn't see it well. Okay, so we inserted it. Let me do that again. You see IMG / good. Now right between this image and then / you click here, you press space bar. Within the space bar is what we can define the source, the code. Okay, now we say when we're inserting the anchor tag, when we're connecting link, we used to use href, right? Href was the attributes. So the attribute used on image is not href, it's called src. Src is the abbreviation, is an abbreviation for source. Src is an abbreviation for source, okay? So we put src, okay? src, and then we insert it. You notice that when using Visual Studio Code, it automatically insert the double quotation mark right here. So the name of that picture that we want it to appear on our web page is that name we're going to spell right here. And we check in our root directory folder, we have an image called capture. Now, another thing we'll look at, you can see the type. When you put the name of that particular media, you should be able to put the extension. So for any reason you spell the name right, but then the extension is not properly met, it will not publish it. What do I mean? Every picture has extension. Picture that you can take on your camera, on your Mac camera, your iPhone, your Android phone, is called JPEG. The one you can take on a digital camera is also in a JPEG form, okay? But the ones that the computer generates, or maybe you took from your birthday, your graphics work, maybe CorelDRAW, the one you design from CorelDRAW, from whatever graphics software editor, they are in PNG. Okay, the extension is PNG. So they are the two prominent and most widely distributed picture extensions or format are called PNG and JPEG. How do you determine whether this picture is PNG or the picture is JPEG? Right click on that picture like this, then you go to properties. You did the info 101, of course. You'll notice that there's a picture name and then the extension right here. Okay, so the file type, the type of file is what PNG file. So by virtue of these files, we're going to reference Capture CA. And you see, Visual Studio is very, very sensitive. It scanned the whole computer and then it brought this one because everything in the same directory. So it spelled Capture. And it recognizes the extension of that picture as PNG, not JPEG. So if you're using Notepad++ or Notepad, this is not going to work for you. So you have to manually spell the name of the picture, and then you right-click on that picture in your Windows view to know the extension of that particular picture. If the picture is in JPEG, then you change it to a JPG. If it is in PNG, then it will be a PNG. Okay, that's correct. Now, let's press Ctrl S to publish our site. That's contact page, right? Beautiful. The picture has come. This is the whole picture. I've screen because I never had pictures on my computer, guys. So I screenshot the whole window desktop view and then save as picture so that I can use it for the sake of the exercise. But when you notice something, let me demagnify. The entire picture took the entire screen. Okay, I mean it's deplorable. It's not good. So we have to play with this picture so that we can resize it to a form that will sit neatly how we want it as web developer. So to resize, it means we want to increase the picture or decrease the size of this picture. How do we do it? When you're done, you click out. You see right after this double quotation mark, we have to insert another attribute. Remember, we said attributes are properties that somebody or object had that define them and made them distinct, that add values to them. So, say we finish using attribute called source to post the picture, we have to use other attributes attached to the image that will resize the image, that will either make it big or smaller, or add other attributes or form feature to them. So to resize the picture, you click outside of that first attribute any, you press space bar, and then you start with height. Height is an attribute used to determine the heights of the picture we want to insert. So let's say the picture I want to give it 200 pixel. What do we mean by pixel? Pixel is the quality of the picture of the medium. That is, when you look at picture, more pixel, the picture can be very sharp. For example, when you look at a picture, just keep zooming it in, zooming it out, or zooming it out, zooming it out. When you enlarge that picture, you notice that you have these small boxes. So those small boxes combined together give quality of a picture. That's what they call pixel. All right, good. So we want to give it a height. I want the height to be 200 pixel, and then I click outside here. The width, WRDTH. Now width, but width. Okay, the width is the horizontal length, and the height is the vertical length. So if I define 200 pixel for the height, I should also define 200 pixel for the width, so that the picture can have a full square dimensional framework. Okay, let's save it. I save it like this. Let's publish. I refresh. Beautiful. The picture has set just little like this. You see, so it's no longer big. We can also decrease it. Okay, since this particular height is too high, we can give it 50% height. 50% height, 200 width. So let's go back to our source code. We can make the height 100, not 50. Let's make it, no, 150 will be okay. 150 pixel. And then we'll save it, right? It will save it, yes. Let's go to our published view. Refresh. Good. If we decrease it small. So the less pixel we will use, example, let's use 100. Let's use 100, you see. So 100. Notice right here, and you see, good. So we use the height and width attributes to play with the dimensions or resize a picture we insert. Now, there's one attribute left on picture. There are a lot of attributes. Go on W3 School, you're going to get them more. But sorry for the disturbance. I have an alarm. Sorry. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So one of the attributes that I would love for us to use is to give this picture a name. What do I mean? Sometimes some picture on the websites, when you click on it, not even click on it, as soon as you get your mouse pointer, information, little information about that picture will appear, will pop up, right? So how do we do that? Sometimes we do it to explain to our web user what that picture is about. Or when the internet is slower, then the picture not displaying, but some object will appear. So when we click our mouse pointer to that object, it will tell what that picture is about. So they bring us to the other attribute called what is that? Is that title? Yes, TRTLE. Beautiful. Visual Studio pop it up. So that name the picture as let's say window screen, WINDO, window screen, capture, CAPTUR, capture photo. So it means that we capture this photo from window, right? So we save it. Let's see something. Refresh. Good. Now that get our mouse pointer. Beautiful. You notice that? It worked, not so? Window screen, photo. Good. When go outside, it leave from there. Beautiful. So this is the title of the photo. Now, I want star, although we're not reach to CSS here, but I use HTML to see whether we can make the photo, to animate the photo in order to move. Yeah, we want it to move from left to right, just like that. So we use a CSS, not CSS, but HTML tag called oh, sorry, the camera just got. Oh, what's going on? Okay. All right. Good. Sorry for the disturbance. The camera just got a little bit blocked. All right. We want to use an HTML tag so that the photo can move to animate the photo. So the tag we're going to use is called Marquee. Everybody spell it, say Marquee. 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 So it open, MARQUEE. It close. Now it's an open. It has open and closing tag, right? So the closing tag is just copy it from here and not copy but cut and just paste at the edge of. Remember, we are enclosing this particular image tag. We want the whole image tag here. The image tag open and I closing something here, so we just close this one. So this Marquee here, open the tag, closing tag, and between it, the image tag sit down. So Marquee means the whole image are here, turn around. But the image in here, then these are different properties we attach to the image. So let's save. Let's save let's save. Okay. And let's go to our browser, refresh. Look at that. Beautiful. It's working. Just wait for it small. Good. And then moving coming. And then moving coming. That's how Marquee works. So when I gave you project, when you designing your homepage, use a little bit of macro. That's on the images move, okay? But don't make it overly childish now. Okay. So for the sake of this exercise, that does it all for picture. Okay. So go on W3 School, you will read enough about picture. Another media that we want to insert is video. Why we want to insert video? Okay, someone have already seen picture and then we want to insert video. So how do we go about doing that? We use the HTML tag called video. We use the name video itself. Of course, it has opening tag. We add, it already brought it, and closing tag. Good. Drop it down small. Then between this opening tag and the closing tag, we insert another tag. So this is where nested tag comes in. That is tag within tag. So we insert another nested tag or meta tag called source, S-O-U-R. Visual Studio already has it. The source does not have opening tag and closing tag like this video and this one. It only has single tag like the image. So within this source, the source tag is where we're going to put the videos, the name of the video with the extension. So we press space bar and then we put SRC, the same thing, SRC, double quote open. Then go to our directory and see how we name the audio, sorry, the video we want it to post. Okay, it has its own name video. When you just hover over, you'll notice that it has MP4. Look at it. It has MP4. Here's the MP4. It has MP4. So it means an MP4, not MP3. Okay. So we'll come back. VRDEO video. HTML. I call this a Visual Studio Code already pick it up. The MP4. Beautiful, huh? Now let's save it. That's all we're doing for this one. Let's save it and then go to our browser. Look at that. Good. But when you look at it, everything just blank. How do we play? Let me demagnify so that you can see how it look there. You see, it just black. So we have to use attributes only. We have to use some attributes and properties that will define the full functionality of the video so that we can have the play handle, the stop handle, forward handle, those different feature on a video. So we have to use attribute on it to work. That demagnify again. Go to our source code. Okay, so right to this video, you see the opening tag of the video up here. Okay, up right here. You click up here, you press spacebar. We'll come and add another attribute called control. Everybody say control. We'll put another one called control. CONTROL. Controls. That's all. Only control we want. Only control. This particular attribute control is a functions. It's a functions that are going to insert all the features a video requires for our users to interface with to play it. We'll press Ctrl S. Beautiful. Go to our web browser and refresh the page. Look at that. It has come, right? You see? Because of just that control, just for that control, let me demagnify, say something. The future of the video has all appeared. Good. We have this. We have audios, sound. You can increase it now. You can even make the whole screen to take the whole screen or So this is the beauty of that function called control. Now, on our web page now, as when you click on the thing, the video playing. Then you have this to forward. Good. Beautiful. On our website. See that? Good. Good. Beautiful. You can also make the size very small using the heights and the widths. It works. That offer. One more thing I want to add, another attributes. Assume that we just want the moment users just load our website, the video start playing by itself. That one can carry more data. It's not, sometimes it's advisable to play when you do advertisement, but it's optional. But let me just show you how it works, okay? So that magnify. Okay. So here we're going to add something called autoplay. AUTO. Here's it. Autoplay. Click on autoplay. It just save. Remember, at the opening tab of the video tab, okay? When you save, the moment the page loads screen, it may start playing by itself. See it? The moment it loads screen, it starts playing by itself. Then you don't want to have right now to off it. So that's autoplay. So video is not really to insert video and control A, and autoplay is not really difficult. Okay, so that's how it is. Well, let's see whether we can make the video how you call this the size a little smaller. We'll try the function of, if it doesn't work, we'll come to the source code and try it. Let's say height of the video 50 pixel width, the DTH 50 pixel. Oh, sorry for the disturbance. Sorry, this camera is shaking tonight. Sorry guys, I'm so sorry for the disturbance. Okay, all right, so sorry. I'm making 50 pixel, right? Beautiful. Let's see how it works. Control S, cancel this one. Wow, make it too small. They're playing, but it's too small. Let me get 100 pixel. Better still 200 pixel. The height, no, let the width be 200 and the height be 150. 150. And the video player on the background, sorry. Then the width be 200. Okay, save it. Go to our browser. Good. Wow, it's a little bit big now, right? That's how it look like. Now we have, okay, lighten it, make it a little bigger. So thank you guys, thank you plenty for following the video when it comes to the analysis of video. Our last exercise on media is audio. How do we insert audio? The same thing. But let's start from manual. So we're going to apply a break on this first one. Break. Good. Here we press audio. Oh, sorry. This camera. What is coming tonight? Sorry. Audio. Sorry. Okay, audio, right? Do the same thing. Here we put SR source, SOUR source, and SRC. It's an attribute, right? Then we put the audio name. Go back to our I call it's not Azure directory, but web folder or the root directory. We'll have an audio file called audio. But why extension MP3? Look at that. See here, MP3. We just set pop it up for MP3. It's an MP3 file. So we're going to okay. AUDRO MP3. Good. Then let's save it. Control S. Sorry, camera is shaking tonight too much. Okay, got that. Well, that it didn't appear, but it works. The reason why it not appear, can somebody tell me? The reason is very simple, because we didn't add control. We had to add a control button up here. Okay. So we gotta add a control button up here. CON controls. Good. Without adding auto play, because now for the play by itself. So control Let's refresh. It's way here. Way ahead now. But let's see whether we can move it a little bit up, okay? Okay. Yes. Okay. So that all this one included also. See that? I got it. Eh, eh, ah, ah. That's it. You just got. Now, one more thing left. The space, the margin between the video and the audio is two little things. So we have to imagine up. We have to increase. Ooh, what's that? What is that? We have to increase more space. You already know. We use more break, more break, more break, more break. So we come right here. We'll add break, break, another break. Good. What is that? Break. More break. Control S. Go. See the margin between a while now, right? Yeah. Sorry, I just twist the camera a little bit again. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Good. Okay, got it. So we off this. Now the video can be playing at the same time audio playing. So it depends which one you want to do first. Okay. So you carry up to whatever you want to do. So this is what we call media. So for the sake of this exercise, guys, we will stop here tonight. And whatever question you might have, feel free to ask me on Monday when we meet. Until then, please bring your assignment. Bring your assignment. We said 10, you should name and explain or describe the functions of 10 HTML tags. Bring them on Monday. On Monday. Thank you plenty. My name is Bill Yipla. I'll see you next Monday. Thank you and thank you and thank you for watching this small piece.